Welcome back. This is my spare van that I'm going to put up for sale for probably about 1,600. I'll take you through it. It's a 2001, done 213,000 miles. It's got 12 months MOT. If I take you through, just open the back up. Inside the back, nice clean load area, ready for collection, deliveries, whatever you want to use it for. It's got 240 hookup. It goes round to a battery charger and a split charge system in the back, nice and simple. LED lighting as well. Then what we've got, side door up, side loading door. Nice and clean and tidy inside. Rubber mats and carpet. This is for a solar panel. As you can see, the alternator is charging perfectly. Solar panel just plugs into this. That will charge both batteries. Then in this side we have, it's a 1.9, so you don't have to worry about DPFs, AdBlue, catalytic converters, all this nonsense. It's got none of that. It's nice and simple. It's an ECU and an ABS, and that ECU and airbag module. That's it. We have charging point for a mobile phone with its holder. We have reversing camera, just switched on down here. Okay, that's reverse camera. We've also got dash cams. If I flip this switch here, turns on the Bluetooth. Okay, turns on Bluetooth. Also tells me that it's charging. And we have
Bluetooth is connected.
Thank you very much. Reverse cameras, front and dash cams rather, front and rear. LED lighting is turned on with this little switch. There's LED lighting all the way through. Okay, so we just turn that off. Bluetooth stereo, remote control central door locking, electric mirrors, electric heated mirrors and electric windows. And as you can see, she has done 200,000 miles. It's used on a weekly basis. Just use it once a week just to do some errands, so the mileage will change. Full service history and lots of receipts, also with 2 keys. Okay, thank you for watching.